I introduce Farhang Anvari and his good wife Mona. Farhang, some 18 odd years back in 1998, came to Boona as a result of the council looking for industry to come to our area. He set up his fertiliser factory, which he had in Brisbane, and has had many years' experience in developing that. From then, he continued to work here in the Boona Shire, in the old Boona Shire, and he ended up by selling Grow Green and developing what he now has as the Anvari machine. This came about as a result of the drought in North Queensland when many of the landholders had to shoot their cattle. Farhang thought that there was a better way than having to shoot these animals was to develop a machine called the Anvari machine, which is what he's done. It grows seed from seed through to a grass product in the matter of 7 days, 7 to 10 days. And this now is what is been finalised. He has developed this. He's had a lot of experience in farming and in machinery development. His wife Mona is also a microbiologist, and Mona has had quite a lot of involvement with the microbes, with the development of the fertilisers that Farhang has come up with. And as you can see here, this is the end product of the feed for cattle.
The Anvari 7 is designed, developed and manufactured by Mona Anvari, a microbiologist, and Farhang Anvari, an agricultural engineer and CEO of Protein Technologies Research and Development Proprietary Limited. The Anvari 7 can be installed and operated anywhere on the farm, undercover or in the open area. This is the mixer where the nutritional value is added to the seed. Put 26 kilos of your choice of seed into the mixer. For example, 10 kilograms of oats, 10 kilograms of barley, and 6 kilograms of lab. Mix the seeds with the treated water. On day 1, the seed is placed in the hopper and is automatically spread on the belt. The spreading time on the belt is 15 minutes. The width of the hopper is 2.7 metres. When the fodder reaches the end stage, it covers a 3-metre width. Here we have the growing area. This process has a very low water usage. This is the growth stage from one day to the next. The growth of the beans is now over the barley. In 5 hours, this plant is in its 7th and final stage of growth. This is where the fodder is cut and drops into the screw conveyor. Dry material, example hay, is now mixed with the fodder. The screw conveyor takes the food out onto a belt, which passes in front of the cattle, ready for eating. The Anvari 7 technology is an economically competitive option for production of a nutritionally complete animal fodder. Dry material like hay is to be mixed at a ratio of 60 to 70%. It is scientifically proven if the diet is nutritionally balanced, the animal releases very little carbon into the atmosphere. This method of fodder production dramatically reduces the carbon footprint of farms. The Anvari 7 process provides for a perfectly balanced food input provided by a professional nutritionist's formulation for legumes like beans, etc.